Hey everybody, it's me, Swallow, and Pat. What the fuck, Pat? Anyways, we just wanted to make like a short mini episode, you know?
Hello?
You broke my ring!
I'm sorry, Paul.
My name's Swallow, not Swall. Yeah, we just wanted to make like a... Ew! We just wanted to make a little episode, you know? I could see you in the mirror. Pat. You was with me one time. I just want to say hi to all of our fans. All 12 of you. Thanks. Thanks for watching. This is my dog bank. There's about 50 pennies in here. This is Pat's shoe.
Give me $5 off the bottom of it.
No. And this is gold.
What?
This is Panda.
Why did you say gold? Why did you say gold?
I said good old, not gold.
You said gold.
No, I didn't. I said good old.
You're like, this is